This is the cinemas. Have some respect.
Big Bird! Big Bird! Hi, Gordon.
Hi, Elmo.
Big Bird, come on,
Hush.
Well, Big Bird's here, but,
Yeah, but, he's not himself.
Well, who is he then? The Queen of Sheba? Oh, it's so funny.
You again.
No, wait a minute. No, Elmo. You see, Big Bird is a little sick today.
Big Bird doesn't sound sick at all.
Well, he feels fine.
Yeah, but you see, he has a certain kind of flu.
A certain kind of flu?
Yes, it's a flu.
That's it, buddy. You're out of here.
It's called the memory flu.
The movies. The memory flu?
Yes, Elmo, and it's called that because Big Bird's memory flew. And he can't remember anything.
Doesn't understand.
Well, okay, Elmo, you know what your memory is, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the thing that makes you remember things. Like, do you remember your name?
That's enough, fella. Move that cookie.
Right, and do you remember my name?
Hello, Selena.
Right, and do you remember where you live?
The movies. Gordon.
Well, Elmo, Big Bird can't remember any of those things because he has the memory flu.
Big Bird can't remember his name or Selena's name? That's sick.
Who's that Oh, well, if it isn't Mr. Peanut again. Out you go.
The story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Do you remember this one, Big Bird?
No.
Do you remember me? I'm Ruthie. I own this store. It's called Finders Keepers. Oh, and Big Bird, I sell great stuff. I sell books, toys, clothes, music, and I tell wonderful
They do not pay
stories.
me enough to deal with this baloney. Get
Good.
up. Get
Sorry.
You gotta remember me, Big Bird. Tell me monster. How about me? Remember me? I was in one of the stories.
Well, if it isn't Mr. Talks Too Much.
No.
Oh, you gotta remember, Big Bird. Ellie. Baby Belle.
No. But I do remember something.
Oh, what?
I love playing tag with this guy. Tag, you're it. You'll never get me.
At least Big Bird's having fun.
Time to go, Gabby Goose.
Big Bird, remember?
Right, yes. Would it be cute and brown and furry and adorable? Could it be radar?
Very cool. Everybody.
Walking boots on.
It's real.
Oh, radar. What a fantastic idea.
Radar.
Oh, radar.
Yeah.
Great job, Elmo. Great job, Count. You know, if Radar doesn't get Big Bird's memory back, I don't know what will. Hey, Big Bird, come here.
Come on, Big Bird. Come here. Look. What's here?
What?
Big Boy, do you know who this is?
Well, it's...
Who is it, Big Bird?
And Zoe, and Tara, and Baby Bear, and Lexine, and Telly, and Elmo, and the cow. And my pal Snuffy.
Oh, Bird, I'm so happy.
Me too.
Big Bird and his amazing mind are back!
Now this is what I call a great day! Sunny day, sweeping the clouds away.
On my way to where the air is sweet.
Can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street?
Sesame Street is brought to you today by the letter J and by the number 14 and by the best friends ever.
This is the cinema.
Sesame Street.
They did not pay me enough to deal with this clothes. Get out. Get out.
Viva!